Hi, my name is Aisya. In my opinion, I think the importance of transportation for individual is it help people to travel. Transportation encourage tourists and travel will make it easier for people to go to the place they want to go. They can choose the various transportation options they want according to factors such as cost, convenience, and efficiency. There are two types of transportation flow in the tourist industry. The first stream is transportation carrying tourists from the origin place to the destination by an aeroplane, train, or cruise ship. The second is the internal transport flow that carries tourists to the area attractive provided by bus or taxi. Transportation facilities are available at tourist attraction also very important to facilitate the movement of tourists to arrive at the attraction area. Thank you.
From a point of view, I think the importance of transportation for individual aspect is transportation make things easier for people. Like if people need to move from one place to another, they just need transportation to move, and it also can save their time. Not only that, people can also carry their own goods in their transport, like just put it in the trunk and they're ready to go. Furthermore, people also can go to distant places in shorter time. For example, if we are using the air transportation to go to South Korea, in example, people just need around 6 to 7 hours to arrive there, like from Malaysia. And again, it facilitates human works in daily life.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Transportation is one of the crucial elements in ensure the breakthrough of successfulness of industry throughout the nation. This is because Malaysia mainly uses entrepot as our main activity to generate economy. Entrepot is actually an activity where we take from the outside scarce resources, bring it into our nation, we process it, and then we export it out as a processed product or a finished product. In order to ensure this thing went all well and without any disturbances, we need a clear and well-planned logistic management. Thus, the only way to achieve this objective is we need to have a clear and well-organized transportation. Thus, our industry in our nation will be in no trouble. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Nur Sazwani binti Muhammad Khairul and I will continue the presentation. So, transportation is important for the industry. This is because transportation plays an important role in economic factors. With the facility forward, it can attract tourists to visit our country. This is because the tourism sector is the most important main resource to improve the economic and finance sector in our country, and it is time for us to introduce this culture, costume, and ways of education in our country to tourists who come to visit.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Adam and I'll be explaining about the importance of transportation in governmental operation in terms of national development. For my point, transportation is very important in order to develop a country into a civilized country. Transportation is important in terms of establish trade between people, which in turn establish civilization. When we speak of transportation, we mean all the methods system for the movement of commodities and people. With a great transportation system, a lot of exchange and opportunity can happen either international or domestic. For example, resources and labor worker. With this exchange happen, the local can learn a wider prospect of knowledge and also can help with the redundant of resources and become more civilized.
Hello everyone, my name is Melani. I am from ITL Trisakti, Indonesia. Today, I want to talk about transportation in government. A good transportation system in the logistic activity could provide better logistic efficiency, reduce operation costs, and promote service quality. A well-operated logistic system could encourage both of competitiveness, government, and enterprises. Thank you.
Okay, next I will explain about the importance of transportation to government in economic aspect. Import and export activity have been running in our country for a long time, and it is very important. Why? Because from these activities, The government have charged the tax to the import and export goods, which is it will give profit to our country, especially in the economy. And from these economic activities such as shipping, it will offer more job opportunities, and it will reduce the number of unemployment and also increase the consumer purchasing power. That's all for me. Thank you.